Hey adventure souls! Are you craving the thrill of a solo trip but feeling intimidated by the thought of tackling Germany alone? Well, fear not, intrepid explorers. This video is your ultimate guide to conquering Deutschland as a solo traveler. Prepare to unleash your inner wanderer, because Germany is about to blow your mind. Germany is a country in Central Europe, bordered by Denmark, Poland, Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands. The capital is Berlin. Berlin, the heartbeat of Germany, welcomes you with open arms and open minds. Ditch the tour groups and become your own curator of cool. Climb the Reichstag Dome for panoramic views, get lost in the street art symphony of Kreuzberg, and fuel your wanderlust with currywurst at midnight. Remember, Berlin is a playground for the solo soul. Embrace the freedom. Escape the urban sprawl and dive into the emerald embrace of Bavaria. Hike through sun-dappled forests, where sunlight paints the leaves with magic. Hike up to Neuschwanstein, a fairy tale castle that whispers of dragons and damsels. And when your feet get weary, raise a stein in a cozy beer garden, clinking glasses with newfound friends under a sky splashed with stars. Let the majestic Rhine be your guide. Glide through vine-clad valleys on a romantic river cruise, stopping to explore medieval gems like Rudesheim and Kochum. Climb to the top of Lorelei Rock, where the siren's song tempted sailors. Remember, the Rhine whispers stories of knights and kingdoms. Listen closely, solo traveler, for they hold the secrets of adventure. Buckle up for a journey on the romantic road, a winding ribbon of charm through medieval towns. Step into Rothenburg ob der Tauber, where half-timbered houses whisper secrets of the past. Get lost in the perfectly preserved Dinkelsbowl, where every cobblestone tells a tale. This road is a postcard come to life, a solo traveler's paradise where time slows down and magic whispers in the breeze. Here's your cheat sheet for conquering Germany. Embrace the unexpected, don't cling to a rigid itinerary. Let curiosity be your compass and serendipity your guide. Your own best friend, chat with locals, join walking tours, strike up conversations at cafes, the world is your oyster. Learn a few German phrases, Danke schön and Guten Tag go a long way. Trust me, locals will love your effort. Safety first, stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Trust your gut and don't hesitate to ask for help. Embrace the Gemütlichkeit, the German coziness, savor slow mornings with coffee and pastries, indulge in hearty meals, and soak in the warmth of local pubs. Germany, with its fairy tale castles, frothy brews, and endless charm, has woven its magic around you. But fear not, solo traveler, this is not goodbye, it's Abysswald, we'll see you soon. For the wanderlust within you will forever yearn for the cobblestone streets, the enchanting forests, and the warm smiles of this captivating country. So, go forth, solo adventurer, and conquer Germany, your own personal fairy tale awaits.
You want to learn incredible tips, comprehensive travel guide and ignite the travel spirit within you? Head over to Cashflow Academia, enroll in our courses and embark on a journey of knowledge and exploration. Don't just travel, travel smart. Enroll today and let's make your next adventure extraordinary. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.